My name is Joshua Novick. I'll be teaching a mathematics lesson in first grade classroom on December 11th, 2014. Hi again, everybody. How are you doing today? Okay, you guys did so good with the tens the other day. Remember, let's see, how did we start out? If we have this many, how many more to get to 10?
6.
6. Okay, if we have that many, how many more to get to 10?
3.
3. That's pretty good. So, today we have a new job. My job is to break apart the number 20. Remember, you were asked to visualize what 20 looks like? Do you think it looks something like this? You guys want to count real quick? Can we count by twos?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
It's a little bit faster because that's a lot. So we're going to start by, I'm going to break this apart, this number 20. And then we will see what we have. So I'm just going to go over here. I'll just move that one to there. So let's count this side. Okay? You guys ready? We'll just do this one by ones because I moved one, so it's going to be odd. So ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, I'm going to kind of block these ones, and I'm going to ask you guys, does anybody know how many more to get to 20 when we have 12 over here? Why don't you turn to your shoulder partners and talk about how many more you think it's going to take to get to 20 when we have 12 on this side? Talk to your shoulder partners. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Anna Carla. 8. That's what you and your shoulder partner discussed? Is there anybody that would like to add to that, or do you agree? Let's see. If you agree with 8, let's do a little thumbs up right here. And if you disagree, maybe you're not sure, we'll do it sideways. Let's see. Where's your thumb? You agree? What do you think? You agree? What do you guys think? Do you agree or disagree? Agree. Okay. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had how many on this side? 12. How many on this side? 8. So we're going to say and add 12 add 8 equals 20, right? Okay. Really quickly, I'll give you about 5 seconds. Talk to your shoulder partner because I know we talked about this the other day. What does equal mean?
What equal
3, 2, 1. Stick. Joshua, what does equal mean? Oh, Joshua's not here. And a P. What does equal mean? Let's listen, please, to and the P. The same number? Is there another way we can say that? Anybody have another idea? What do you think? The same as? So that's what I wrote right here. Equal, I'm sorry. Equal is the same as, right? So we had 12 add 8 equals 20. Could we say 20 equals 8 add 12?
Yes.
Okay. So you remember how we did the number sentences the other day, right? Okay. So I'm gonna pick a stick and I'm gonna have somebody come up and break this train. Just take whatever one, pick one, and move it to one end or the other, and then we will discuss that as a group. Melanie, why don't you come up and break our train, please? Okay, let's move that right over to the end. Okay, have a seat. Okay, ready to count? Eyes up here, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have 11 on that side. Discuss with your shoulder partner how many more to get to 20. 3, 2, 1. That was super speedy, you guys are super smart. I like that. Vanessa, what did you and your partner talk about? How many more to get to 20?
9.
9? Okay. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs sideways if you're not sure. So if you agree,
And thumbs down if you don't put a...
You're not sure. Why are you not sure? What do you think it's going to be? Not 9? Why do you think it's not going to be? What do you think it's going to be and why? Another number? Does anybody agree that it's not going to be 9? Anybody else? You don't think it's going to be 9 either?
I do.
You do think it's going to be 9? Okay, let's count them really quick, okay? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9.
Okay. So, on your whiteboards, I want to see if you guys can write a number sentence for where we broke our train.
Any kind of flip over or like...
Well, let's do it. We'll start on this side. Add this side. Equals, what are we trying to get to? What are we taking apart?
20.
20, right. So let's make a number sentence. How many do we have over here? Do I need to count again, or you guys got it?
Got it.
And when you're done, I want you to hold your whiteboard up like this so I can see. Just right in front of you. Just like this. We're done here. Perfect. Right here. May I borrow your board, please? So it looks like just about everybody has this one. What would happen if we did this one, this side first, and then this side? What did we call it? I heard somebody give that a name. Well, what did we call that?
We call it flip over.
A flip over, or what's another name for it?
Undo.
Turnaround fact, right? So let's see if you guys can write the turnaround for that one. Very good. And then there's that super tricky way. If you guys want to add that one, where we start with our 20. Very good. Thank you. And then hold them up right in front of you so I can see. Right here. Because everybody else needs to be able to see too. Very good. Very good. Nice work, sir. Can you do the turnaround fact?
I did both.
Very
I did
nice.
those 3 then.
Yeah. Good, good, good. Okay. That's pretty good. Let's have, are you going to do my turnaround fact for me? Can you do that? Good. Okay, everybody erase. I'm going to pick another stick. And then we're going to have someone come up here and just move that. And then I'm going to see if you guys can do this one all by yourselves, okay? So Jimmy, where's Jimmy? Come on up and break this train. Just pick any one and move it to one end or the other. Right there, all the way down. Big. All right. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys think you need to talk to your shoulder partner about this one a little bit? Okay, thumbs up if you want to talk to your shoulder partner for a few seconds. Okay.
2 more.
Okay, so talk to your shoulder partner about how you're going to write a number sentence for this. Give you a little bit. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and write the number sentence. And then if you can, please write the turnaround fact.
Yeah. I'm erasing these 2.
Go ahead and finish. And then when you're done, hold it up on your chest.
Mr. Dolphin, I have a question.
What's your question?
I counted them, but then I counted 19 and then plus those 2 equals 21.
Do you want to count these by twos real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
2, 4, 6,
8,
8,
10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So maybe you just missed or accidentally missed.
19.
There's 18 on this side. You want to count them again?
No, the other one, the other one next to the other one, she skipped 19.
Well, we only were counting this side that was 18. Add
20.
2 equals, right? Okay, when you're done, hold that up so I can see on your chest, because you don't want to block everybody behind you. That's very good. Can you do the turnaround fact?
I did.
Very nice, thank you. How are you doing there, Simon? Good. Hold it right here. Nice work. Thank you. Good job. Can you do the turnaround fact? Good job. Thank you. Okay, can you do the turnaround fact? I'm going to put this one back, so if you're not done, finish those up, and we'll do one more. Very nice. Thank you. Good job. Awesome. Okay. Go ahead and erase. And Camilla. Camilla? Camila, thank you. Sorry. So come up, go ahead and break the train. This will be our last one, so I'm going to let you guys just do this one all by yourselves because you seem to be super smart. Let's go a little more over this way because if you break it there, it's just going to be 20 again. So let's try right in there somewhere. Or maybe right over here somewhere.
Right in there.
Either way. Perfect. Put it down there. Okay, so I want you guys without talking to your shoulder partners. Go ahead and let's make a number sentence for this. See if you can do your turnaround fact. Do we need to count them together?
Yeah.
Is that a little trouble? I know it's pretty big. So on this side we have how many?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. That one was easy. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's go ahead and write the number sentence for that. If you can, do your turnaround fact. Okay? And I actually want you to do your turnaround fact because I want to show you guys something that you guys had a little bit of trouble with counting these because we started with the little one and then we had that big old number on that side. So write your turnaround fact. We had 4 add 16, right? Equals 20. So what's our turnaround? Who can tell me? What is it? Our turnaround fact. How does that? What's the number? 16 add 4 equals 20. Okay. Awesome. May I borrow your board, please? Everybody done? Good job. Good job. You guys. Oh, excuse me, sir. Where's my number sentence? Can you please write the number sentence for that? Okay. So I think we had a little bit of trouble. Who had trouble with counting this side? A little bit of trouble. Okay. So I want you to turn to your shoulder partners and talk about, we started with 4 because this one was easy to count. And talk to your shoulder partner about how, well, let me just do this. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to move it over here. So this is our turnaround fact, where we have 16 add 4 equals 20. Talk to your shoulder partner and talk about if this is easier to read this way than it was the other way. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Isabella, what did you and your shoulder partner talk about? Was this way easier than the other way?
Yes, because I could look at the 16 and just look for my head.
So it was easier in your head to do the 16 and 4. Excuse me. You're listening to Isabella. Thank you. So please say that again. It's easier because
I had 16 over here and it was easier to count it.
the 4 in your head. Does anybody have anything to add to that? Did you have something to add? No. Okay. We'll get you a new one in a little bit. So nothing else? Nobody thought this was easier this way?
It is. It is easier.
It easy? Was it the same reason that Isabella said? Or did you have a different idea?
It's the same. It was the same why it is just.
It was easier to count up maybe from 16. Did you count up in your head? How did you do that in your head?
I put 16.
Okay.
Not 16.
So do you guys think we did our job today? What was our job today?
My job is to record
The number.
20.
So was that as easy as doing 10?
Yeah. Yeah.
You think so? I think you guys did